the next day. Impake. Impake. You can see. There you go. Impake. Back up. Kana pag gusto nun eh. Kana pag yung kayo. Let's go. Change kamsta. Yeah, this is all the things that we need to clean up. So, muna siya. Kampay nga to. Okay, in saying that, let's do this. We're gonna try to clean it up. Di na ako mag-video kung yun sa ako pag-clean up. Because dili lang. Anyway, weather is really cold. Really cold. This Saturday is gonna be the longest night and the shortest day. And the whole thing is the solstice. I don't know what. But yeah, let's go. Murag dito focus kanina. But yeah, this is now focused. Nagkan mo siyang... I need to clean up the screen. Nagkan siyang something. Nakada, mas dito na siyang screen. Wala na siya i-flare. Dapat siya may flare. Katuan tangan gani. So yeah, let's go back. The reason why I'm trying to film this is because I have been using this one for quite a while. And the thing is, kanang nindo siya gamay lingaw, but kanang ang depth of field and quality kasi gamay siya sensor. It's really different kung full frame. And I kind of miss this Sony that I have. Also, gina-try na ko balik gamit na ning Tamron ako, which is the 17 to 28, the wide lens. So I bought this before and I love vlogging with it, but the thing is, naptans kapoy, di na kayo ganahan mo vlog and everything. But yeah, I'm just trying to go back to this, trying to get used to this, because kanang lately ang ginagamit akong lens katong Tamron, which is the 20 to 40. So 20 to 40 is just fine. Pwede siya ka-zoom, pwede siya ka-wide. It's both ways, but kung gusto yung kag-wide, I think it's best kung 16. This is 17, so a bit wide also. But anyway, I'll try to go back to this. It's a bit heavy. Wala ko gadag ka ng selfie stick. So I'm just bringing the camera, so I'm trying to feel it. Let's try with the selfie stick. So this is now the Ulanzi selfie stick, which is very wide. I can see half of my body, and that's good. But kanang, yeah, when I was traveling sa Gold Coast, I was just using a selfie stick and a small camera, like it was A6500, and I love it so much. Kani siya kay murag mo na ano. And dali ko makapoy. But the thing is, the good thing about this thing is that hindi na ko siya taas magyud. And so I can just talk on the camera like this. Pero kung nagtao, lain mo kay gusto na ko na ning camera. Like murag I'll show you how I look. How it looks. Atong ipakita sa inyo. So okay, wala siya. So wala ang naong sa camera. So yeah, that's how it is. Kanang bugat siya. And yeah, I'll just try to use this in the next few days and see how we go. Also, I'm trying to do like a manual focus, manual ISO. Because before inani akong setting mag-vlog ko, nag-set ko ISO. Then later, ako nang gina-try og kanang auto ISO para kung ano kung git change. But I'll try this now again. Just give it a try and see how we go. So, muna siya. Magtrabaho na ako. Yata mo vlog. Also, I'm using the Sony kanang microphone. So the Sony microphone, you have to like wala siya wires, but things you have to set it properly. Then nag-set na ko kanang record tanan niya nag-echo. I don't know if it's echoing now. It should not echo at the moment. But yeah, this camera. Anyway, muna siya. I gotta start moving. I really gotta start moving. Taka magtrabaho nun. Maka-stress, but let's just do it. Okay, situation right now. Just I'll try to disassemble kanisiya. Got some stuffs out there. It's a lot of stuffs. Kanisya kay anong silong. It's for donation. Mga sinina. I clean up there. Nakachinilas. And everything's here. Daghang gigamit. Need to get rid of a lot of them. Anyway, wala siya. So may akong studio. Then this will all be gone. I'll try to get rid of a lot of stuffs also there. So yeah, there's that. So kind of to give you context on what's happening, we're moving. This is my place, and what I like about my place is that what I like about my place is na parkinganan sa car nga ri. Yan na siya gamay kanang kuan. Kanang murag yard diha. So yeah, nasa siya sa corner. So muna siya para U-turn it out, but I can park my car there. It's a big space. And sa taas kay kanang high ceiling, but we have to move to that place there. See that place there? So let me show you. Let's go. I guess these people just moved also. So yeah, there's that. So moving from that place there, Padumingari. Moving this place here up front. So what I like about this front here is that, oh, I think they left the key. So what I like about this front here is that yeah, it's has a balcony. Oh, it's open. I think someone's cleaning. So yeah, so this is our mailbox here. So makita na siya diha. And then yep, so I think they left the key here. It's with a lock. So yeah, somebody might be cleaning. But yeah, that's the window, that's the entrance. And nakanindot niya is siya balcony nga dili pras sa takuban. Gamay lang siya, but yeah. So yeah, that's the balcony. And muna siya. Just talk to the neighbors. Ang ako alang sa nari is there's one room here, and this will be my work room, and my work room will be here, which is at the back. Murag magdaganta mo agi, but that should be fine. The garage is there. So yeah, that's it. Okay, moving tomorrow. Moving to that place, and yeah, I'm gonna miss this corner here, and yeah, this space, but wala na siya backyard, but that should be fine. Should always be positive. If it should always be positive with whatever. So yeah, yun akong tiyo pinawo ko. Sa kalagutan ako kaniyang putaha kaniyang garage door, magsige nag-umot, sige nag-stuck, but yeah, muna siya. Anyway, let's go. Sige pong karon, tugnaw kayo. So ato tag ka ng Filipino shop kadali. Ato tag Filipino shop kadali, and then ngita ko palit ko ganang turon kasi I want something to eat right now nga murag make me feel good kasi muna nagalipig sa balay ko everything. But anyway, let's go. Nagkanang kuan, cold start, abot kog 2,000 ng RPM. Grabe katugnaw. And muna siya, usually naram na siya sa kuan 1,000 or mga 1,500, pero karon agrabiha 2,000 jud ba. Sakap gyud kanina tugnawa. Okay. Meet ko ka ng Pinoy sa kuan ba dito sa store. Yan, nagpalit siya, and nagkalit ko batin sa istorya. Wala anam ako gusto kong batin. So wala siya managad. I don't know if she has issues with everything, but yeah, wala siya managad. So I'm like, okay. Anyway, muli na lang ko. And I got a lot of stuff. I ended up kanang palitan. Palit sa kong kuan bangus. Ganahan ko kong bangus today. Anyway, let's go, and yeah, bye. The trabaho at home. Yeah. Spaghetti! Hey, yum. Parmesan. So, wala pa. Just need to do a lot more things. Yeah, it's so cold, and I need to move more things. Wala pa na ako move, and the house is really small on the other side, so it's gonna be tight. I need to let go a lot of things. Anyway, yeah, that's it. At least the hallway is clear now, so can I siya. So in here, copy. So full. Yep. So update. Nahuman na itong dala ang mga kuhan, mga bed. Met this guy here sa Pinoy in Melbourne. And yeah, he helped me with it. And now, dugab. We're gonna prepare the fridge. Pulak tong lain. Busy. Trash bin, dako kay na siya. 47 liters. I need to buy mga plastic na sad. And this is our stuff para sa fridge. Fridge na mo gamay kayo, but that's all we need. Dili na ngaon. And mo sa ni. And also, I'm so glad that, that one, we have a good balcony. We can see the sunset from there, and we can see the sunrise from there. So today we saw the sunrise. And I also have our lemon, our Christmas tree lemon here. Yan ka na siya. Diya, tuong ka ng kamati sa una, but karon basil. But it's nice that we have plants here on top. And akong barbecue, I might need to get a new one. But yeah, we might place it here. I'll see how we go. But yeah, this is the neighborhood. That's outside. Yeah, the room is small. I mean, the place is small, but it should be fine. We can work around it. And yeah, what else? Yeah. So yeah, what else? Yeah. That's the sunset, but it's still around 3 p.m. Today, oh, by the way, today is like kadang kuan daw, the shortest. Grabe sa kapicture ninyo eh. Today is the shortest day, and then the longest night. So, but yeah, it's here. This is it. Yeah, so that's our neighborhood. Yep. So yeah, everything's so clean. It's a dark kayo. Oh, ang taas, wala pa. Need to do a lot of things. Pero I need to disassemble that quick as soon as I can, and then bring this over there. I should have brought this downstairs. Anyway, should bring that there. I think ibutang na sa taas. Kini siya. I don't know, dilitingin ni siya. I'm gonna take that also para sa taas. Disassemble tonight. A lot of things to do. Oh, look at that. Wala na mga plants. Does it look good? There it is, heading out. Okay, gid siya tanaw ng orange nga light. You see everywhere orange light, but I prefer white. Yes, white light. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to go now. Let's go to One Click. Weather. Set up this table for computer. But mo sa nam dining. Yeah. Mura. Di pa kompleto ang setup, but the thing is, yeah, got everything almost settled. I still have a few days to go, and that's fine.